An update on her little chicks. They seem to be happy. Our biggest one here is a little more mobile than the rest of them. Aren't you? Just a real quick update. Looks like they have abandoned the packages. They've been in here for, right at 24 hours. And seems like they're all out and taking care of business. Both hives seem to be active, so we're going to get out of here and leave these guys alone, not disturb them any. And we'll check on them in 2 or 3 days and see if the queens have been released. That's it for now. Hit subscribe, hit like, does good stuff for us. And as always, come see us at Hidden Acres Homestead NC. Ducals, they're going to light your world up, buddy. Okay, bye.